Disassemble the Kenmore drive. Put a video on this. I mean, I'm working on it, but I just wanted to demonstrate this on a different model that opens up a different way. But you got these side clips that I pretty much already got it off, but it pops out. These little grooves goes in here, pops out this one, and you pop that one out. And then you got your Phillips screws. You take this one out, this one out, and this head will flip back like this. And like I said, I'm working on it. I had to repair some wires on it. And then you got 3 bolts, and they're 1/4 inch. Like I said, I done got them out. And pretty much this whole top will come, once you take these screws out, it slides right on out. Just like that. And then you just take your door switch, harness off, and these star Allen wrenches, take them out. Down below here, it's got a clip. You got to find it and press in. Yeah, these are clips, and you want to press into that, and it comes out. And you got this another 1/4 inch here, and a 1/4 inch here. Then also you want to take off, you don't have to take this one out, because it can come out all together, but I'm going to do it because I'm going to clean this all out. But you'll take this 1/4 inch, this 1/4 inch, and that 1/4 inch, and it'll come out. And also when you take this out, you got your motion sensor connection right here. You wanna undo that. Yeah, I disconnected this one, but this one's kind of stuck, and I didn't want to pull it and break it. So what I did is I just took it from this 1/4 inch, and this one. Take this out so it'll drop. Forgot I had a screw right here, and then it should drop down. There you go. Just like that. Yeah, most time I go ahead and clean it while I'm at it, while I'm down here. And we got these screws out. These screws, disconnect that. And you want to disconnect your springs. All of them don't carry this, but this the model type it has that you have to just take them out. Pretty much put some to a clip side. can see that. But right there, let's take it out like that. This whole thing goes, I don't know. And the whole thing is, just take your belt off. Note the rotation of it, because I got to go back the same way. And that's it. And you just reassemble, go back, reverse for what you've done, and put it back together. But just got a little quick video, didn't want to make it too long, just how to disassemble. It's a Kenmore, kind of older model, but just trying to see and just figure out. I know I had to repair the wires, but I want also, while I got it done, clean it up, clean this all up, check out the fuses, check out the heating element, and anything else I run into the wheels. Make sure they run, they smoothly out, running good. Clean all this off. Make sure this whole exhaust pipe is clear from debris. And yeah, and there you go. But I might make another video if I come into this, if it's a problem. Like I said, I don't know exactly what's wrong with it. I just run into a problem with the wiring, and before I plug it up and get it a test run, I want to see what else I can find that I can repair while I'm at it. But if it's not working, I'll make a video and see what was wrong, and hope I can help somebody out.